Hey there, this is Ten from AMS, and today we'll speak on the topic of value of custom software for your daily business operation. As digital platforms and digitalization become the primary focus to propel a business forward, it is important to stand out amongst the crowd. The competition is bigger than ever, with companies, even large ones, competing for digital space and creating their digital presence. As your business adapts to the change, it is always a good idea to invest in a smoother transition. With custom software, you can suit the digital world to your business needs while creating a unique stamp that no one can replicate. There are many ways in which custom software can be the need of the hour for your business to maximize efficiency and be a forerunner. Number 1. Personalization. Using custom software solutions rather than one-size-fits-all approach will improve work efficiency by tailoring the software to your specifications. This will also help increase recognition for your business and create a brand. With the help of a custom approach, the transition to a digital network will be smoother and less rigid. Number 2. Freedom. When we talk about fitting into software, the rigidity hinders work and leads to compromising on key components. With customization, business is not restricted by external sources and can make their own inputs. This freedom also gives businesses more control over their data and store it as they see fit. This is especially useful for keeping company secrets or sensitive data that, say, a government organization may want to keep to themselves. Number 3. Innovation. Innovating is something that every business, no matter the size, strives for. With scalable software, businesses will have to wait for an upgrade that fits the features they are looking for. However, custom software can build on existing features and mold them according to what complements the latest idea. This is also a primary practice that helps businesses break out of blindly following trends. Instead, it is the first step to being a trendsetter in their industry. While building custom software may require time and research, you cannot deny that the fruit of the labor is sweet. Custom software ensures you keep up with the fast-paced world and don't get lost in the sea of digitalized business. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to shoot me a message if you have any questions or an app concept on your mind, and subscribe to our LinkedIn page and YouTube channel for more content on the topic. See you in the next video.